Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners. Start by creating your company profile and choosing a plan that fits your business needs, then set tax preferences. Next, connect your bank accounts and credit cards for automatic transaction import. Categorize a few transactions to train rules and set up customers, vendors, and products or services. Finally, reconcile one bank statement to confirm everything syncs correctly and you understand the workflow. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners. Focus on daily habits, review imported transactions, assign categories, and match them to invoices or expenses. Send invoices immediately and enable payment links to shorten collection time. Enter bills when received and schedule payments to preserve vendor relationships. Regularly review the profit and loss and bank balances so you catch issues early and keep bookkeeping manageable. In this video, I will help you use QuickBooks Online for beginners. At month end, reconcile every account to ensure your ledger matches bank statements and catch discrepancies. Review reports like profit and loss and balance sheet to spot unusual items or trends. Make necessary adjustments for prepaid expenses, depreciation, and accrued items so statements reflect true performance. Back up key reports and document reconciliations to create a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.